John and I are on the Celebrity Reflection cruise ship. We are on a 4-night in the Caribbean, and tonight we're having dinner in one of their specialty restaurants, Murano. Murano is only on the Solstice class ships. The Reflection, the Equinox, the Solstice, the Eclipse, and the Silhouette. So it's only found on the Solstice class ships. If you're going on one of those ships, I highly recommend you have dinner at Murano. I'm going to show you the menu, then we'll go through each course as it arrives, and in the end, we will give you our feedback. Here we go. Hello everybody, Joyce here with the Traveling Gamblers, and I am here with John. Hello John.
Hello, Joyce.
Beginning on the left side is the Five Senses Gastronomic and Vineyard Tour. This is a tasting menu. It is all included with the wine, and it is $124 a person, plus 20% gratuity added to the tip automatically. It's 5 courses, and you get to choose one of the 2 items under each course. Feel free to pause your device if you'd like to look at anything for longer. So this would be something special. If you have a dining package, this would be an additional $64. The dining package covers just the general admission, if you will, for the right side, which is the a la carte menu, and this is $60 per person, and you really can choose as much as you'd like, especially under the starters. So the caviar is an extra price, and it's at market price. So we like to do a surf and turf, so we will typically each get a fish and then the Chateaubriand for 2 to share. And there is a cheese course. And of course it's 20% gratuity automatically added to the $60 for this side. Okay, we're gonna place our order and we'll be back. Let's take a look at the table. And this is the delicious bread. They come around with a selection of breads. This is the baguette that we chose. John and I chose the same thing. And I'm gonna give you just a quick look around the restaurant. We're sitting in the back corner, so you really can't see much from here. A lovely table. Our first course has arrived, and I ordered the pear and Roquefort phyllo dough tart, if you will. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. Let me get my fork and cut into it. You can see what's inside. Look at that. That looks fantastic. Wow. And John ordered the mushroom cappuccino, a hot soup. John, you want to give that a little stir and see? There's the soup underneath. It's delicious. If you like mushroom soup, it's fantastic. All right, we'll be back. The next item has arrived, and this is the cheese souffle. Oof, look at that. It is fabulous as well. John and I are going to share this. And our friend ordered the heirloom tomato salad. Looks fabulous. We'll be back. John and I ordered the Chateaubriand for 2, and I ordered the Murano lobster, which is prepared tableside. So John's sitting closer than I am, so he's going to record part of the process.
Okay, I'm ready to prepare the Murano lobster. So I'll be using extra virgin olive oil with unsalted butter, bacon mushroom, shallot garlic, diced tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and chopped chives to finish the garnish. So I'll be starting first of all with extra virgin olive oil. Lobster tail. And then I will flambe with the French cognac. Some diced tomatoes. And I'm plating the lobsters. Coming plates with the mashed potatoes mixed by vegetables. What's right? Okay, Gabriel. 1, 2, 3, 1. Murano lobster, Chateaubriand, lobster, and the porcini Murano risotto.
This is the lobster Murano. Thought I'd show you a close-up before I eat it. Wow. And John ordered the Dover sole. The Chateaubriand for 2. And a side of the mushroom risotto. Get to the bottom so I can show you the risotto. Okay, we're gonna eat. We'll be back. It's dessert time. Let's take a look and see what they have. On the left-hand side are the after-dinner beverages. There's after-dinner specialty coffees. There's a price associated with those. If you have a drink package, it'll be covered. If you don't, you'll pay the price shown. And tea, and after-dinner alcohol options, port wines. On the right side are the desserts. Everything looks so amazing. We're gonna go ahead and order, and we'll be back when it arrives.
And I add some vanilla creme anglaise to enhance the flavor. Please do enjoy.
Salted butter and white sugar. And vanilla gelato inside the crepe, and in the round balloon shape. Adding the fresh strawberries to make it crystallize. So the strawberries has been crystallized with the butter and sugar. So again, I will be using the French cognac to make some flambe. And I'll be placing the strawberries around. Finishing with the garnish, which is a fresh mint leaf.
Oh, that is gorgeous. Work of art. Delicious. And as you saw, John had the Grand Marnier souffle with the vanilla cream sauce. And this is the chocolate cocoa cake. Looks amazing. All right, we're gonna eat up and we'll be back.
Dinner is over, and the lighting is not so great in here, so I'm sorry about that. The mushroom cappuccino was excellent. It was hot. It was, if you like mushrooms, I suggest you try that. The goat cheese souffle is the best cheese souffle that I've had. It's excellent, hot, really delicious. The Dover sole, I get that every time. It is perfect, very tasty. And then I had the Grand Marnier souffle, and that was also, it was very hot. The vanilla sauce was really good. It was very fluffy. All in all, dinner was great. We had a great waiter. And Joyce, what do you think?
As John said, it's dark in here. We've been at dinner now for 2.5 hours. So plan accordingly if you come here. I don't even know where to begin. It was fabulous. It did not disappoint. Worth every single penny. For my appetizer, I had the Roquefort and pear phyllo dough tart. Oh, delicious. The savoriness and the tanginess of the Roquefort cheese with the pear, an incredible balance. For my entree, I had the lobster Murano. I did try some of John's goat cheese souffle. Oh, it was delicious. Creamy, light, really, really good. If you like goat cheese, it was fantastic. The lobster Murano was cooked perfectly. The sauce that they make is so good, and the lobster is so tender and sweet. It's phenomenal. I had the porcini mushroom risotto on the side. It's under the starters, but I asked them to serve it with my entree. And we had the Chateaubriand for 3, because it's for 2, but we shared it among the 3 of us. Our friend John is joining us for dinner tonight. And it was cooked perfectly. And I had 2 slices of it. It was the perfect balance and accompaniment to the lobster. And for dessert, I had the Ballon Rouge crepe. Oh my goodness. Indescribable. If you like strawberries and ice cream, I highly recommend that for your dessert. I did try John's Grand Marnier souffle, and it was okay. Nothing close to the crepe that I had. Absolutely fabulous. It was an amazing meal, food, service, and company. Everything about it was perfect. I highly recommend it. If you are on a Solstice class ship, I highly recommend coming to Murano for dinner. That does it for our review of Murano. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It lets us know what you like, and it helps us out, and we appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, hit subscribe below this video with the notification bell on. That will let you know of any new videos that we post. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of our adventures, just hit subscribe. We do appreciate your support, and as always, we hope you have a wonderful day.